I did book just now when they said, when they confirm, when I ask this, say, me is a good talk. They will not how much you will go. Easy. And when they will not how much you will go. Oh, then we actually here now. That is what. Ima Tama will not have. That's who will rule you. Oh, who will be sick? I'm going to tell you, Sharona. I'm a Sharona. A Sharona, I'm not taking it up. I'm a home. Or go back to Mount. I'm my hair. Or women are not to have the hair. I like to have hair. You're perfect back. I'm not going to have a book when you're a man. 5 women got a call. Plus another one called again from another country. Say, not true. Not that. Ohosa junior brother will be married man. That is go there, go scatter. The woman not agree. If he carried the woman, let the woman shook it. Is who could. But mama will be here. You're telling. Why? That is dangerous for me. We are blessed. They said that so the woman fire.
Tuari Monica, wati Monica Gome. Na gba po wodo egwia wati Gome. Monica, na be go see we was with rough life. Ya ga be denena. Ma be we u ye digi yiki we no dego ku ye na. Wa ekpa ya vi moto tobu kore. E moto tobu ho u ya vi oro wo to di moto. We vedu aune. Uwo mo wu ye izi eko, but izi ma wu. Do not do bokaverio, na kemi boy, okasunu de yi. But when we am when easy nyahu, do dam e do mezedo. Do dam e do mezedo. If we you are not ashamed of yourself. The way you take carry Monica, easy matter put for head now. Mona go call Monica, come make all this to do mezedo. Call this to do mezedo. The man when he give you belly, the time we did for Holland. The man when he give you belly, the time we did for Holland. Call this to now. Since 5 years, now the man they cry they go do mezedo. May you go beat DNA of J Boy, the only son when he did with you for a house. You don't carry the matter, say you must see the end of this matter. Now easy matter. When he do good for a friend, what you know if he do, he do one for a friend. No matter you come put for her, say you want find where to bring her down. You want find where to fall on. But that you know the truth, Monica, or Monica, you know the truth too. You are just trying to look for a daily bread to feed. And you live in better country. Where your mates are working. Your mates are ending money. Because of your waywardness, your stupidness, you become irrelevant in the society. A woman without no cover shop in the east side. Please, you people call me Monica Atuari, tagging for me. I want you to tag Monica Atuari for me this morning. I did work out for a size Zuga bet yesterday. I see one video where Monica they talk lies. You know, not saying a destroyer. Monica is a destroyer in the society. Monica is a destroyer in the society. So my people, una good morning. Una go call Monica come. Tuari or Monica GBC. We know the shame. Hello. Okay. Okay. The more you speak up. The more you speak up now.
Is it better? Is it better? Is it teaching or see activities standard?
I will listen through. I will listen through. So we are not be central. Opiano says, "Oh, we shall." Opiano, my lad, that we shall. Okpame de bachano yam yega ku. O se we the other. Naturally dizigba, naturally dizigba. Naturally. Mujane. What are you saying? Go here. Mujane mene. E video ni uno de ozala jan video na mujane ka ni ka giri ya ime. Ola ine go here. Omojiani ije ni sabo gwegun. Izawo gwegun. Hey, Monica Tuari. The poor man wife, where they call itself big man wife. You carry easy matter. Wait till you not see for easy body plus wait till you see. You talk all of the following. Remember, say you get pikin. Remember, say you get pikin. What you they do today? People they do to your pikin whether you go happy. Not be only that one I come for. I just want to remember you say, since when do me don't come cry for this live video? Say me go do DNA. Since when do me don't come cry for this live video? We see the way for your DNA. Good morning, my brother. We see the way for your DNA. We not see DNA. We not see your DNA. If you know the shame. If you know the shame, Monica Atuari, it's a pity say you. I don't know where the for carry come for pit of the evil. You doesn't have conscience. Today night they complete 3 days. Which are easy obey the same when I go break or juju pay for her. Now make me come out this morning. If you not break or juju paper for her, now shame for na Monica Atuari. If we no know what. All the thing when I talk for a life body now. You say na ik by Sharon. You say me go break or juju paper today night they complete 3 days. You not get shame. No, you they pull life for person body, they take the money, they eat. We not say today, not be tomorrow. Tomorrow or another day. Anything we man do for this life, we woman do for this life. Now this life is the heritage. We not go do something finish, we call the bed for forgiveness. God know the answer this guy forgiveness. What it easy do follow our friends. How many of you do one? Una women know for Europe. Una women know. He pay me say, Sharon no get good mother. He get mother when he dey for under cage. Wanna take one to say, since when this man enter Mama Sharon life, quarrel na enter that house. Woman when say one marry, repair children, I be man. I be man. Wanna the support say na infinity saga friend. One I go see truth. Because of so na they look for money, I go they bend the truth. One I go the listing, una they push easy talk. Because now wait come out from a mat, you go come tell una the truth, you go come reply now with the truth. I just see all the video. It pay me say we get wayward women, we get wayward men for the society. Today they consider we don't know what tomorrow one born. And now they calling themselves mothers. Now they calling themselves fathers. We will not see the real truth of this matter. As we talk and so now they put maggi, now they put salt. We start to add maggi, now they add salt. We the spoil person name they go. They say we not do and follow me for this social media. Different life we not put for my head. When I can't tell you the truth, when I go, they carry me, they follow court, they go. I wonder, say you not get shame, Monica Atuari. The time when you with your husband get quarrel for Holland, when you drive your husband come off for us, when do medical to use another body they sleep with you for 1 month, 18 years ago. We can't use another body they sleep with you. When do medical cry come out now say me go do DNA test. When I plan for you, make them not say they pull life for your head. When I plan for you, when I plan for you, make them not say they pull life for your head. You waiting for husband house. We go to sleep with them. He do sleep with you without a new thing. Only one boy picky what you get now, J boy. Do me say me go do DNA. Say you know fake comment. Say me go do DNA. He send people follow you. You know feel clean the shame come up for body. Who shame come there for easy body now when you say me easy come clean? Who's shame there for easy body now? Say do he no person. The Azos, the don't Azos. Then they make friend, now make friend. The friend dey for bad condition. The friend dey for bad condition. He stand as a friend. Una know the year wey e easy talk say Mama Sharon drive Sharon comot for house. Woman when he born 3 days, the mama drive her comot for house. Una know the year. Woman when he born 3 days, he dey chop biscuits. Una know the year when he get mama for Europe. His mama don come talk say na lie. Una know the year. Woman when with his boyfriend carry he pikin motor for 2 years. Now the man suppose, now easy motor the man supposed to drive up. Now man supposed to buy motor for Sharon. Now to see this man when he destroyed this house. He destroyed the house. So Sharon senior brother come dey beat this man for Sharon house. Before he go like that, before this man, this Okpame come dey beat this useless man when he cause quarrel for their house, when he destroy the family. Before Okpame come dey beat her for her own sister house when he late. Now no something dey under. He pay me say many of una no get sense, and now they come live video so una know how to talk. But anyway, wetin just bring me come. Now woman when he no get sense, Monica Atwell wey dey talk say na he get sense. Shame when he dey for a body, never fit clean am. He normal say think we can ora akara no, we can ora akara wale. Woman wey no fit drive fly for a kpekus wey dey drive for fly for another person kpekus. Come listen to Dumezedo. Come listen to the Dumezedo. Come listen. Right on. You hear what he talk? You hear what he Dumezedo talk? Monica, you hear what he Dumezedo? He say we will team up. Already no say na he born J boy. He no say na he born J boy. He say we will team up. Mo will send representative. Mo will send representative. Who be the representatives? Mo will say, Minister Ayowe, B and B. Only the women when sure say you know the talk lie, you take it. Mo send now, may you team up. Mo force you. He know say na he get pikin. He know say na he get pikin. No be say na no. Mo force you. May you carry your husband. May you carry and go where they do CNN. Say to Donosagi. Orphanage home go price DNA 240 euro for DNA. And this man, Dumezedo talk and say like that, say, he go pay the hotel bill, he go pay everything when he concern the money, make they go do DNA. You not shame for that one. Only one boy where you say get where they call J boy. Or woman wait there for husband house. We go to sleep with Dumezedo. Now this thing make her say Moscow say I can't leak his secret. Say as it tell me as Dumezedo to tell and say now he get the pikin. Say as it happen 18 years ago. Now he sleep with Monica. When Monica with her husband gets more quarrel for his house. Now he sleep with Monica. 19 years ago now. 19 years ago. In 17 years ago. Dumezedo can come out. What he do 17 years ago, he can come out. 2021, Dumezedo can come out say, Mo go do DNA. Mo team up. Mo send representative. The expenses, he go pay. Since then, Monica, they run, they go. If they run, they go. You know, Greek can present the boy to the owner. He no can present the boy to the owner. Because say Monica does spoil her husband now. He does spoil her husband. But anyway, I don't tell them say this DNA, I must see the root. I thank God say that boy don't grow finish. Me don't speak broken English now. As I go to speak this broken English, one day that boy go carry popo, firewood. Boy go tell us, mama, go and give me to my papa. Go and give me to my papa. Go and give me to my papa. You know the shame. Come listen to Dumezedo. You don't see your friend when I get that do friend for 10 years. You know the look. So tell you go rub pancake. A pancake you are seeing kwa. Very dirty woman and localities. A Monica work by pancake. Why me pancake you are seeing kwa wa. Oh why you tell her? Ni say kwara. Mi ro pa no fit ero. Nothing with the fit on. Now only that of bolo na the fit go say. Obolo no pa fit e. Do down we do Mezedo. Do down we do Mezedo. E go no agbe ki ayu e mo la diania. When they plug the cassava, una plug the cassava with do Mezedo, una ga plug e. Mo la diana here me. We mamu la diana mo we bi no pe ave. Nwene re mo we. Ira me we ku mu ashawo. Ma pasha ashawo no the shame. You're not supposed to be talk for the society again. You were born for 2 man. The other the other one will get the man child waiting for his side. He can't come out. So me go breed DNA. No, listen.
Atiti, I am on a DNA test. The DNA test in whatever is going to cost, but I will make out
Hey, Dumezedo, they talk so. He said wherever it's go to cost, he go bring a comment, he no be poor man. Only waiting the pain for mind. If for not deny the picking at the linear stage. If for not deny the picking. Because he deny the picking and you know if you come born man picking again. Or maybe say be mokwe anat or mokwe akpale Dumezedo me Monica muge Dumezedo. Only one son where Dumezedo gets. Monica go get a pikin na. Monica go get a pikin na. Why you dey do like this? Why you get this evil heart? Man come and say go all the oil expensive. You know as it happen. The time when they come up for Holland, go na get that day for Holland. You can't take and make Godfather. You take and make Godfather. I can't talk to you. As they toast you. You tell and say you with your husband the quarrel. You tell and say you with your husband the quarrel. He no rest though. He no rest for it. He can't see they toast you, they toast you. He can't use honorary body. He can't use honorary body to knock you. He use honorary body to knock you for 2 weeks. More than the belly can come out where he take bungee boy. Inside, ambush can come back home. As ambush come back home now. Dumezedo dey cry for a pikin now. Say what it go cost, you go pay. But you no want get picking. Another people matter they owe you for social media. Another people matter they owe you for social media. More plan, more listen. More plan, more listen to Dumezedo. Eru Wahala fast standard. You see your useless life, Monica Atuari. You where they say you be #1 social media presenter, not be a do presenter because they don't know you for a do. A man will a do social media presenter #1 where we working. Where the whole world they look. You know ashamed of yourself when man come out can't draw you DNA. He say what it go cost, money will go cost, you go pay. You know ashamed of yourself, Monica. You see come on public. My papa say I will not the shame. My papa say I will not the shame. When I plan for you, Moku listen. Moku listen. What do you do so when you born for 2 months? When man come public, come ask you DNA test. Easy no bad one. Only what easy do. He jam friend. The friend of the mama child driver come up for us, keep her for house. Una be still say me live for street. Who what you wanna see a street? Mabe who mabe azen no see una be evil. Mama when he born pikin driver put for street, pikin born. He no fit do pa the yan for am. Pikin born 3 days drive the pikin come up for house. Where the pikin supposed to go, not be friend place. I dey ask una question. Now na draw this easy come out for his house. We be not hear all this one. Now na draw and come out for his house. We be not here before. Because of una wickedness, una ignorance. Now na draw this girl because una dey find money hungry they beat una. So till we come here now say, shine on dey for husband house. We dey born for Nigerian man. He get Oyibo. So if mama want to sleep with the Oyibo, the mama child they find the Oyibo number. Not where Ashawo no they do. Una no Ashawo, my papa tell me say Ashawo. They fit sleep with papa. Ashawo go sleep with papa. He go sleep with the king. My papa tell me. My papa tell me. Say if Ashawo they're very dangerous. They fit sleep with papa, sleep with pikin. My papa tell me this word. Away man. Away me no ma obey. He said no, it's still good thing for the handle. Monica Atwari. Una they draw your bone number now. I dey hear una they draw your bone number. Because una not get sense. Una can't talk that word come out for public. Una can't take and disgrace some of a dog women waiting for Europe. Because the mama Sharon know the shame. He define Oyibo number. He wants her to sleep with Oyibo. The same way in which the man with the friend so we drag her for Sharon hand. Central man. Where they find women money they go. We know what they can do. Monica Atwari. J boy, you don't go give her to the papa. See papa they cry. You see anywhere they want to go buy and say you no go. See, but if they go do one, say egege come day. And he no say egege go day. He no say leg must day. He no say egege must day. Say if he fail, he no come. Pikin wey man no born, I go no say go fail. Pikin wey man no born, I no say they go DNA go take fail. Monica, Atwari, you know the shame. No plan.
Nega be stand for all the big. But it's not going to be me. Because my DNA, money by some warrior and Yahweh. Thank you for your very sure. Whatever is in it, all you say, what in it, all you say, what it's in it, but
Pikin wey man no born. He go say they go do DNA go fail. He say, honor he fail. If he can't fail, in the come. They say what belong to Caesar. I'm only Caesar. Honor if he can't fail, make the call him. What did they want to call you for? They say na parable na they talk to Edoma. Edoma go no. Monica Atwari we know the shame. Shameless woman in the society. A mama no wa yiko wa. Okobo, bububu, na gbai, egwia, ne wemu. Shameless woman. Come listen to yourself. Come listen to your boyfriend. Come listen to your boyfriend.
Thank you for your help. Let me show whatever it's in it. All you say, what's in it. All you say, what it's in it. But same reaction, you never and you never what you wear all past fire. All say what's in it. Wahala.
You see, huh? They say a parable the truth to man. Monica Atwari. You know the shame. So you can't agree finish. Say do me they do sleep with you whether a new thing where you dey for husband house. Now you dey tell you the same pikin buy for a beleso. Now you dey tell you now say in so they can carry and go Indian. Now so they can't go Indian. Some shameless women. They say my papa say Asha will not they do good thing. Then they call you say they not fit their voice no they not fit talk come out for public. Then they push people for trouble, all those bad women. Bad Ashawo, bad Okpo. You think say they rain. You not marry man we go fit talk to you now. Say this is the way they do no good. Because they say best on the same that flies together. The man where you marry now, he dey live to survive. He dey live to survive. He fire money. Now fire they spend and put wait time at the end. Listen to Dumezedo now. Listen to Dumezedo Monica. Today night they complete 3 days where easy Simon go big go juju program for now. Today night they complete 3 days. So I'll see wait another 3 days. They say if you not give him, if you not serve on juju paper, you go come serve on juju paper. Now wait till talk with that. Since we now don't complete now 3 days, I go see wait for 3 days. Now we know the shame, useless woman in the society. Now so I see one. If you just see that one, if they talk one woman, you just see the anger in his face, saying that jealousy, they worry that one. That one saying see get husband for us now. That one saying see get husband. All those useless men, they marry them. Men where they don't sit down on top of their man head. They say I love. With their witchcraft. With their evil acts. If you see the way they talk, you'll not see evil there for their hearts. We they know them. But if they read the day we will come talk to them. If they read the day we will come change them for their evil acts. They will find they give the long spoon. When they take chop. No listen to Dumezedo. No listen to Dumezedo. No listen to them. You see, huh? Monica Atwari, the owner of Pekin. They say now no nyamo who get Pekin na Pekin they resemble. Now get Pekin they resemble. You know what the owner of Pekin talk? He say if they see J boy for inside video, in they see J boy. He go no say the time when you small, you see fine small. He see fine small, but you know hear when he talks so. They say a parable man till they talk to following man. But this man agree saying he go bring DNA money, Monica Atwari. Or we had the DNA money ray. Wait till they delay you now when you not proven to the world. Where you not come make this man shame. Where you not come make the word shame. It's something not that they under Monica Atwari. You cannot clean this shame away from your son's head. Do me say don't share property now. Or property now. The one way supposed to reach your picking hand now. You dey delay the progress. You dey delay the progress. Monica Atuari. Now born picking they hustle. They know the hustle train am. No be your man no. I know no coke. Ero Moladia. Do me say do. Ero Wahala of standard. Some people say I dey curse am. Una don see Ogun for inside here since. Now wetin he come out for a month? Say na he give Monica belle. Say me go do DNA test. If he fail, me will call am. If he no come, me do anything we like. Monica, you know if you go do DNA. Okay, if you go do DNA now, the same people follow you. Say na ambush get pikin. They go, the people wey they say follow you, they will take shame go house. They will take shame go house, Monica Atuari. If you go do that DNA now, they do say you go spend or you go pay the money, everything will tell be. Domicile you can't go price am. If you go do DNA now, you reach there, the people wey say follow you. I know say they be your enemy. But you make the shame. You go do them like this. Ambush on yamo. You go do am. Wait till not make you go do them like that. You dey carry another man pikin. Stupid Ashawo. Ashawo no war. Ashawo no egi. You dey carry another man pikin, they give ambush. Okay, you say na ambush now. Monica Atuari, you say na ambush get am. Go do DNA. People where they send follow you, they'll follow you go there. When they follow you go there, if na ambush get am, they go leave am, they don't follow you drag am. But you can't delay you when if you do DNA test. Or Moscow tell me, say Papa Wahala tell him. So as you know born man pikin so. Only the man pikin when you get. Only the one man pikin when you get. Now woman born for Holland. If they deny her because of Mama Wahala. If they deny her because of Mama Wahala. You know say man, they respect women wey stand for their life. Man, they respect women wey stand for their life. Not be say woman stand for your life. Wey be not be gentle woman. If you stand for man life, you not come. I'm a reason why the man don't value you. Okay, Monica Atuari. The shameless woman will not the shame for the society. The useless woman over useless Asha will know what I say. Are you not ashamed of yourself in the society? You call yourself social media presenter number one because you not be a dope person. We can't have stupid daughter in Edo States. A wayward daughter, we cannot have the type of you people in Edo States. So Monica Atuari, come here. Lareva, why you not go do DNA since then? Say okay now ambush get ambush get picking. We know say okay now ambush get picking. They send follow people follow you go. You go shame that people for that side. You go shame the ooh. Now make not be ambush get picking so. Since 5 years you they run they go. You say na easy matter. People will come to listen to you. Because they don't know say you be evil person. They don't know say you be stupid woman for the society if they know. You don't see your friend go and get that live rough life. Go and look at your friend today. Is one of the best women in the society. Both of you are still wayward in the society. Talking lies every day. Where you live in better country. You live in a better country where there is work. You can work. You can earn money. You are useless in your name every day by day. Tell me where your children will grow tomorrow. Person wey dey put life for body today, e get spirit wey go fight for am tomorrow. If your hair is strong, your pikin will not strong. And when something begin to wave tomorrow, you will give your papa family. Manu yo bo esi adio igyo wawe. No. You don't know this, the one you cause with your hands to your own house, to your own family. And they see one woman where they talk for social media now, where high, but if you see her, if you hear the talk, so you know see the evil. That one be. That one go say get husband for house. Husband will not fit culture her. Put her for position. I cannot marry a woman that I cannot culture. Be you anything that woman. I cannot marry a woman that cannot discipline to my taste. It's unfortunately all those men who are married, they are all wayward men in the society. Okay, let's just listen to Dumezedo now. More listen to Dumezedo. Woman, we know the shame. Come and listen to Dumezedo. Wa amwere, igbe agano gogo.
It's not going to be me.
Monica Atuari, for more than 5 years plus now, you know they are ashamed of yourself. The old word, they know say, no be ambushed. You husband will say marry for us now born to me, now born a boy. They know. They know. You they come every day, people come to watch your stupidness. Because say you don't get sense. My papa tell me say I shall not get shame. My papa tell me say I shall not get shame. I can't really come. I did 10 years ago, my papa tell me that word. Oh man, as you want to go beneath so go learn work. Or when Kenya to bagwe, I was a one of my dad book area. In make way. In a way. When I can't really come Europe, I can't see you now, Okbo, naming Wagolation. A time will come when your son will take you popo, they pursue you around the house. Go give me my to my papa. Go give me to my papa. Go give me to my papa. Go give me to my papa. A time you turn it. And I tell you, say, na me go draw this DNA. I tell you, say, na me go draw this DNA. Woman will not the shame. Wait till you want to talk. I see you for the video. I go plan just now. When you talk, say, Charon, easy. He carry belle. In any bank can't go it here. The pikin cook buy for inside the belle. Not be today start to happen. We don't see how they call woman pikin the buy for belle. Not be today we see. But is this still alive today? Now what you want to talk? Now that one I be new thing we say you want to tell the world. Where they never see before. Now because say you lack of faculty, you don't get sense. You don't get sense. I didn't know say you brought up from wayward house. As we don't get education. Now this one you want to talk to the world. Now you don't fool yourself. This say they get money. People of the world know say you don't wayward for the society. Now because all those people where they call the answer now, where they feel and they not be presenters. Like me will be a bona. I don't do inside the game one they do. Not even when I go talk again, we go shop my body again. Now the people where they listen, they go they believe. Many they don't know say no buga jaji no bunjaji. Obunya ga jaji na ye da ya oni go ma. E dey no sakai, e dey no yosa. And the truth, many go believe, women no go believe. But it don't reach where people take no sooner be liar for this social media. It don't reach where people take no sooner be real liar for this social media. I go play the audio just now. When I play this one finish. No, when I play your own. The one we take confess say Papa will last sleep with you. Monica, listen to yourself.
That decide to not settle. And then desa mo ya we ma what dey Monica ni we give ya fo. Oh na ile tia desa mo we e o yeri mu gie ya fa loko. I ya so no. Ebe na itama desa mo we adesa mo yi eru wala ndelime enyu ti e no na ewe me ka be o. I ya so no. Ebe na itama desa mo we adesa mo yi eru wala ndelime enyu ti e no na ewe me ka be o.
Very well, as Papa Walate sleep with you, you not tell the word. You with ambush, you don't bond after your first daughter. You with ambush come the quarrel. And do Mezedo can take you to goddaughter. You dey go to Mezedo house. And do Mezedo now toasting, he start to toast you. Before you can't go, you can't take a do. Una come dey take deceive your wife. Una come dey deceive you wala. God daughter, God son, God son, God son, God son, God son. Una come dey deceive you Mezedo. Una come dey deceive you wala. Mama wala as a woman, it is na God daughter. You know say behind the Mama wala there is another thing. Behind Mama wala there is another thing. You drive a bush come out for house. Do Mezedo come dey take honorary body dey take knack you. Honor the ayegbe cake and knack you well. Honor is knack you well for 2 weeks. Una guavio. Una wey be me, mona dey look something they do. You know see Anna. Do Mezedo get pikin, boy pikin, wey dey with Monica J boy. He get boy pikin wey dey with J boy, but do Mezedo man you no get ma pikin today o. Ma pikin wey supposed to get now. We be you wey no say na you ambush dey follow on the dragon. Monica dey give her to another man wey Monica no say see man when he get pikin. My country people, una no be Monica. Make una people you go put a blogger go put a picture very soon. I go know be Monica. One or useless okpo wey do a shower for all lands. So if you dey piss for toilet now. The toilet go dey make noise. Water system go dey vex. So take the boy go ask and say, do you open the tap? He go say, I no open the tap and pepe. As he condemn himself rich. As he bury himself, as he spread himself rich for the society. Some people will just come and say, he dey cause the Mezedo. I say cause the Mezedo. Now wetin do Mezedo? He say, now maybe do Mezedo lawyer. He say more say people. May Monica go do DNA. Since 5 years, Monica not the shame. Monica not the shame. My papa tell me say Asha will not the shame. My papa tell me say Asha will not the shame. CNA test. Now with the house Monica since then. He go dey carry something dey cover am. Dey carry something dey cover am. Ekwe mu ayegbe man o. Ayegbe man. Make una tawata. Mo plan dey go. As the Mezedo to sleep with am. Why I tell una? You know say some women, you with their husband go dey quarrel or drive their husband come out for house. Night it happen. Wey do Mezedo to give Monica belle. As he can't tell Mezedo say get belle, you know say that time Mezedo never get money. Now Mama Wala na the sponsor am. Mama Wala na carry Mezedo come Europe. Una no know. I go tell una some secret now. Una no know. Mama Wala na the sponsor am. Now they feed Mezedo. Never get money that time. If Mama Wala come no say Mezedo give Monica belle, he go drive Mezedo come up for house. Make them not drive Mezedo come up for house. Now Monica take call ambos. He call him back home. Say me come. As ambos come back home. That very day when ambos they come back home. Now Monica start to open quick for him again. After 2 months, then tell him say he don't get belle. And he knows say that Mezedo not get the belle. So take Mezedo come cry, come out now say me Monica go do DNA. Say he go send people follow Monica out to Ari or Monica. Okay, now you say no be Mezedo get picking Monica. Dumezedo can't tell us now saying you go send people follow ready gate when you go follow him. 4 people, 3 people, you go send them. Follow you. If DNA fail, you give ambush. If you not fail, then Dumezedo can't go for the general checking. If Dumezedo go general checking, see the thing that Dumezedo get on, you carry picking goers. He don't tell now way you Wahala don't know say Dumezedo born for outside. Not be new to a cave. You Wahala come see and now say you Wahala don't know say this J boy Dumezedo don't talk and say he resemble the time when he's small. Say you Wahala not get what he want to do again. He don't know say Dumezedo born for outside. Monica, now you Wahala now be know what me know before. Now you Wahala and be know what me know before Monica. But you can't call her ambush con ask. Me ambush con ask. After 2 months, you can't give her to ambush. If you Wahala don't know now, make una don't go do CNN. Make una can't go do CNN, Monica. You say you know do CNN. Another person matter, they hold you. You know the shame. Easy matter, they hold you. You know the shame. You know the shame, you know get sense. You know what it take. You know what it take. Only one man picking where you get. Only one man picking where you get. Another man can't come out for public. In what moon I go do DNA test. Dumezedo can come and say, you want me to go do the DNA test for that pikin. Monica, you know if you clean shame waiting for your body. And you come on here, come they talk every day. Shit. You are shameless. You are shameless. You are shameless. You need to be ashamed of yourself. If you Wahala don't know now, he don't know. Before 18 years ago, when Papa Dumezedo don't know get money. Now you Wahala go fit drag Dumezedo come out for house. As the taste now, if you Wahala no fit drag Dumezedo come out for house again. Now Dumezedo now go supposed to drive you Wahala come out for house now. So Monica, Tuari. On Monica, wake up for slumber. Bagbe was slumber. Wake up for slumber, no bagbe with slumber. A slumber no you know, and I buy. A Dumezedo when we are CNN, no bagbe with slumber. You must wake up for slumber. Slumber yanti abi many yanti slumber, many yanti. He tired. We understanding it. So Dumezedo make buwe. Dumezedo make bian biwe ni. Dumezedo ekeni mugbe ikoni aye ki atota yo ewo ina. Ikoni aye ki atota yo ewo ina. Iabungbe. Man women we Dumezedo take a kukuba go for inside Europe, they too plenty. So take go Monica Atuari. Pikin come out. Now the Pikin na Monica Atuari Dumezedo so me Monica Atuari go bring CNN test. He say me go bring CNN test. Monica na lekiana wage we amu wa. Make una the shame. Monica make you the shame. You know if you drive says a fly waiting for your quakos. Person wey says a fly not there for your quakos. Person wey says a fly not there for your quakos. A good Samaritan. Hello, black guy. Black guy, how are you? How are you? Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? What? What? Ogun. Okay. We're going. Hello? Hello? Okay. Okay, well worry. Well worry. About that. She said, "They might be na Monica de Beladian." After my error, Ototo me na go weapon. Ya you don't know the way. Imi a who well wana. Imi a who we be easy na. Wa o wa gbon sun. Asha would done. Una know at this video take leak. He get person with the guy that do friend for 10 years. They come back a gift for 2 of them. Now that one come tell us say he want to say, he not be say he talk say he want leak the secret say do me say do not get J boy. Now Monica call run go meet at the movie say if do me say don't sleep with her whether a new thing. If do me say don't sleep with her whether a new thing. Mona dey listen to all those women. Mona dey watch, Mona press our shop. Mona press our shop, I beg. Mona press our shop because I don't know what they touch for inside my neck now. Maybe they not fit touch them. Mo listen. Mo listen. Monica, you ogun kan gbo asun un dan revo baded un okerology lawa. Evil woman for society. Mo listen, mo go play the, mo leave that one first, mo go play the audio when I come play. Mo complain. No. Monica, not be all married women that they go the place. Your own now, the picky where you born. Nobody, no married woman they disturb you now, but they say me go breed DNA test. They say me go breed DNA test, you know the shame. You come on public on the talk. Hello? Okay. Okay. My people, they say Monica, they lie. Monica, I know they worry you. I can't describe your stupidness to the world. You know they finish with the scatter people family. Who knows that family man? And your own, now go scatter class. The boy now go beat you now. He go beat you with ambush. He go meet your papa. J-boy now go beat you with ambush. He go meet your papa. I know go greet you forever again. The one you take go kill to another papa. Now say go take happen. When you really know your papa, you go to kill to another papa. Now J-boy want deal with you. A time come. You not see how what you they do so. Because now what you want and it. As you did scatter other people family, right from the one way to scatter people family, they come. Women they see for your body where people don't know. Mama twins, waiting for London. You want scatter. Many people ask me, don't try to scatter. Now you they go easy family, now you want to go now. You know if you scatter easy with mama. You know if you scatter easy with mama. They don't know now. So now be evil. Mama Sharon will the cause so. If they curse you. If you don't know, Mama Sharon, all of them, Mama Sharon knows you be evil. Now that the boyfriend, when he take medicine, oh Mama Sharon so. He take medicine, oh Mama Sharon, all the money when Mama Sharon they work. Now they give. If he want me see use the children, make the man be want me see they use the own children, make it the servant. But the juju no only children. The juju no Sharon, you know look pa me. If no, una not the see well. Me they tell you the truth so. You know juju no look pa me. You know Sharon. They were against this man. Una not see man we not get 3 days. We Sharon buy. Person where you not go hospital go greet when he born. Person where you not go greet for coma when he do coma, that man, he go that house. He go to sleep for the bed. You know not say evil man. This one Anna the clap and follow so Monica. This one Anna because of money una want eat. Una not fit tell the truth. But not be that one come. Come go breed DNA for us. Yari DNA, Gima. Do me say don't want yari DNA. When I play your audio, they go first. Monica Tuari, you say easy. One go drag husband. Not be today they start to drag husband. Not be today starts. Now wait till they come. Man we woman like. Even they get woman for us, you go for it. If the woman wait there for us, no fit stay, you go come out. The one we can't drag, no fit stay, you go come out. Not be today start. Now that's why you want to talk. You will go drag to me, do we born for there. We born for there. You not feel the return to me, do picking for her. You see they drag, they picking you with ambush. You know, see they drag and they go. Now what you say they talk so way people can't listen to you. Now what you say they talk so way people can't listen to you. Because you know they get you not get shame. Wait till they come out from una mouth if una they talk, una not they think calm. As una they talk, una brain not they walk follow what una they talk. That's why I call they follow una self. That's why I call they follow una self. Ọgbọ si mi ọdọ, ọgbọ si mi ọdọ, ọgbọ si mi ọdọ. Na ke si mi ọdọ. Be no pe asi mi oku, ere oku bi si mi oku ya. Go for what you like. Go for what will give you peace.